What's up guys, it's your boy Mark, and in this video I will be going over how you could use solo ads to help you grow your business in $25 one-up, or really any online business. It's all about driving that traffic to your offer, and I'm gonna show you exactly why you should use it. But before I do that, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also click that bell. Just want to know once I upload video on how to make some daily cash. Back office of $25 one-up, and as you can see I have 3 sign-ups, 3 referrals. And what we're going to do with those sign-ups, with these 3 referral guys, is come over here to my business, go to confirm payment. Now let's see, have they taken any action? And as you can see, they have not taken any action yet. So what we would do is take their phone number, and we will create us a Google Gmail phone number and use that as your business number. Never use your personal number. We'll take their phone number, we'll text them something simple like, hey, I saw you create your account with $25 one-up. Are you ready to get started? Do you have any questions? Shoot me a message back if you need help getting started. All right, and just leave it that simple. We're not forcing nobody to join us in business, but they created an account, so that means that they're somewhat serious, but we have to see how serious they are when it comes to actually making the purchase. So now you're closing the deal when you are at this point right here. You're closing the deal, okay? But everybody sometimes is not going to get started right away, but it's still good to follow up with them, because the following up is what's going to get you the sales. Maybe they are ready to get started and they need help. They need to talk to somebody, like they don't understand something. I've had plenty of times where people have not got started yet because they thought, I was going to, come in the system, which they was right, but they was just waiting. It was like, hey, I was waiting. I didn't know, which way to go. And can you help me get started? And I was like, sure, So most of the times they need somebody to guide them, answer questions. Maybe they didn't, most people got excited through the first part of the presentation video and just went on and got started, and now they have questions. So now all you do is follow up with them and see if you can turn this lead into a potential sale. Now, I got these leads from this source called Udemy, okay? This source called Udemy. You could come over here and you can grab different solo ads from, you can grab traffic from people who already have this large email list that will allow you to send your offers through their email list. So all you're doing is buying clicks. So let me come over here to find seller and show you what I mean. So like, these are different people who are selling their email list. And once you grow your email list big as well, you can do the same thing that they're doing. They're making money by sending traffic to an offer with a niche that is transparent to yours. So let's just say we click on Scott Tucker. His is 40 cents per click, okay? And he got a 23% sale rate, which means 23% of the people that bought with him got sales. So if you wanted to go with him, for instance, I'm just showing you, this is not who I personally, would recommend. I'm just showing you what you would do to buy the traffic. But once you join me in business, I'll show you the exact vendor that I use to get my traffic, to get my sales and sign-ups to my page. I'll share with you exactly who I use. And if you don't have a Udemy, the link will be below. So you'll come over here, you'll buy 300 visitors. If you want 300 visitors, it's $123. That is not bad at all, guys. So 300 visitors will go to this page right here, which is converting your $25 one-up capture page. You're going to capture those emails. Now, when you capture those emails, they're going to go to your GetResponse autoresponder, just like I showed you in my last video. If you didn't see that video, make sure you go back and watch it. So these leads that put their information here is going to go to your GetResponse email responder, all right? So you're buying your clicks, 300 people. That's 300 potential people that could buy this product from you. And not everybody's going to sign up, and not everybody's going to join. So you just have to take what you give. You're testing everything out. And with this particular person that I bought from today, I'm not gonna expose who I bought from, but I bought 50 clicks, 50 people to my to my offer, and they went directly to this. I just created that list yesterday. So I have 13 people who put their email in that wanted more information about it out of 50 people. Not bad. Imagine if I would have bought 300 clicks or 200 or 100 clicks, I would have got more people into my list. So now I'm growing a list. So I'm showing you how to grow your list. This one I have almost 500 people in this list right here. But I just made this list to make this video. And I already have 13 people in that list. So it's gonna grow and grow and grow. Now inside this list, I put my YouTube videos, my presentation, $25 presentation page. So now you're marketing your product through email, all right? It takes about 6 to 7 times for a person to see your product before they actually buy it. Everybody is not gonna buy on that first go. Life get in the way. They might be in the middle of signing up, okay? They might be in the middle of signing up, but that little one come running up, jump on them or get into something, they have to put the phone down, go get it, life get in the way. So that's where email marketing come in at, to remind them like, hey, opportunity that can get you paid every single day. Like the email marketing can remind them like, oh yeah, boom, I gotta get started with this company that I seen yesterday. So that's why this is important. So I got 13 signups here, and as you come to my back office, see I got 3 people that actually went on ahead and created an account. So other 10 people who did not create an account will soon create one through my YouTube videos, through my value that I give out. So that's just, 3 signups out of that is not bad. It's good. You're progressing. You're getting there. Okay, you are getting results. Results are always good. No results is always that's not good at all. So even if you got 1 sign up out of those 50 clicks, be grateful, okay? So 3 signups, 13 people added to my list that I could, promote to and to get them to sign up. So if you take 13 times 100, that's $1,300 right there, okay? So think about it like that. If you want more information to order me, that traffic source will be below. And once you do that, guys, you get a free $5 from the company itself. They give you a free $5 to go towards your first traffic purchase. You get a free $5. So if you like this content, guys, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also click that bell so you'll be the first to know once I drop these jewels. Other than that, I'm out.